A jolt and then you'll die.
The Inergy Flex is a modular solar power platform designed to give you the amount of power you need for as long as you need it, without toxic fumes, costly fuel, or constant maintenance. The Flex modular system is composed of 3 unique modules: the Flex battery, which stores energy, the Flex supercharger that maximizes solar charging, and a Flex power console that gives you access to the energy stored in batteries for AC or DC use. These components stack together to create a solar power station that fits your needs. With a Flex system, you can harvest power freely from the sun using an advanced 90-volt solar input from your vehicle while on the road, from a wall charger at home, or from any combination of these power sources at the same time. This power is stored in the ultra-lightweight lithium Flex battery. You could think of the Flex battery as a gas tank you can recharge with sunlight. Do you want a bigger tank to run devices longer? Stack another battery or 2, up to 96 in total. To refill those tanks even faster, add a Flex supercharger so you recharge 3 times faster with the sun. Now you can power your critical appliances, phones, laptops, CPAPs, power tools, and medical devices for as long as you need to. The Flex 1500 power console provides 1500 watts of continuous AC and regulated DC power. It also sports 6 AC outlets and several useful DC outputs to allow you to power almost any device, anywhere. The Flex DC power console offers outputs for DC-only power applications like off-grid and tiny home living, RV and van life scenarios, and ham radio operators, among others. If you're a DC power user, enjoy twice as many DC outlets plus 50% more regulated DC power output, all for less than the price of the Flex 1500. That's 30 amps of regulated DC power at 13.8 volts, all with massive storage capacity options with the modular Flex battery. If you need to supercharge your solar charging, you can add the Flex MPPT supercharger, which allows you to add 2 more 90-volt strings of solar panels. Add 1 Flex MPPT supercharger to the Flex system, and you can boost the total input to 90 amps or an amazing 1200 watts of solar charge input. You could charge 1 Flex battery in about an hour. The Flex battery is the foundation of the Flex modular system. Not only is it roughly half the weight of any other lithium-ion expansion battery in the world, it's also the smartest. The Flex battery is packed with 1,069 watt-hours of storage capacity, with vast opportunity to expand to meet the most demanding applications. The Flex battery is also compatible with the Inergy Kodiak and Apex solar power stations. Now you have the power to expand your Kodiak and Apex to a monumental amount of storage capacity. The Flex modular system gives you more flexibility and more options than any other portable solar power station in the world.
Power up with the AIMTOM SPS 230 portable power station, your top choice for safe, compact power that's lightweight, quiet, and ready to go. The AIMTOM SPS 230 easily powers phones, laptops, TVs, LED lights, Bluetooth speakers, CPAP machines, and even mini fridges, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or any other situation. When it's time to recharge your AIMTOM, simply connect it to your car charger, AC wall outlet, Type-C PD port, or grab a solar panel to get re-energized. Its AC outlet generates 110-volt, 200 watts pure sine wave AC power, which is safer and more reliable for sensitive electronic devices. Its Type-C port both outputs and receives power up to 60 watts. Its built-in MPPT charge controller intelligently optimizes solar charging processes and automatically extracts maximum available power from solar panels. It can be charged by 12-volt to 20-volt solar panels. It is built with a premium quality lithium-ion battery monitored by a state-of-the-art battery management system that prevents overcharge, overcurrent, overtemperature, or short circuit. AIMTOM, let's go places with power.
Enter R600, the only power station of its size with enough energy to run almost any household device. See, most power stations like this can handle your standard device. Things like lanterns, laptops, stereos, even little Cosmo here. Anything that needs 600 watts or less, no problem. But R600 goes above and beyond other power solutions. So even during a blackout, you can scramble some eggs, brew a cup of joe, or blow dry those beautiful locks without a moment's worry. So how long does the battery last? Well, that's entirely up to you. The base model gives you 300 watt hours of energy storage. That's like running a laptop for about 15 hours. But I have a feeling you want more. So at any point in time, you can upgrade to R600 Max. This adds an extra battery module, giving you double the energy storage capacity of R600. And then there's this piece of magic. When you buy 2 R600 Max units, this extension cable allows you to chain them together, quadrupling your storage capacity and doubling your output, so you can power heavy-duty gadgets wherever work takes you. Now take a moment and picture your next road trip. Anyone with a bit of wanderlust knows power is priceless in the great outdoors. That's why with R600 Pro, sky's the limit. It includes an expansion module for attaching any number of LFP or deep cycle batteries. Your storage capacity is literally limitless. An R600 Pro will monitor your power usage as if it was all a single integrated unit. Now I know what you're thinking. Big battery, big charge time. It's a fair assumption. But the difference between R600 and other storage devices, it's 10 times faster. The battery recharges from 0 to 80% in only 1 hour. That's all well and good when there's an outlet around, but Mother Nature rarely affords us such luxury. So when you're out and about, put on an eco-friendly face. Because with its 160 watt solar panels, R600 recharges in just 3 hours of direct sunlight. It also solves another problem that I think many of us have. Nowadays, our bags are bursting at the seams with dongles and power adapters, AC, DC, USB, Type-C, too many. Well, you can leave those bricks at the door. R600 is fitted with every port you'll ever need to power any device. As you might expect, the built-in screen tracks each and every watt that flows through the battery. Is this useful? Yeah, absolutely. But convenient? Not so much. In this wireless world of ours, remote control is key. Now you can pair R600 with the new EcoFlow mobile app. It does everything right from the palm of your hand. Monitor your output, receive recharge alerts, check your carbon footprint, or set the mood for date night when the kids are out of the house. Long story short, R600 is your one-stop shop for staying connected on and off the grid.
The Yeti 200X, our newest and smallest of the Yeti lineup. At 5 pounds, this bad boy is 7 pounds lighter than the old Yeti 150, so it's just that much easier to pick up, grab and go, throw in the car, whatever you gotta do. Compared to the Yeti 150, the Yeti 200X has been improved in every way, size, weight, and performance. The inverter is stronger at 120 watts with a 300 watt surge. We've got 4 USB ports. The 2 on the outside are 2.4 amp USB-A's. And then the 2 in the middle, the smaller ones, are the new USB-Cs. One USB-C will output up to 18 watts to your devices. The other is a 60 watt power delivery port that can be used not just as an output, but also as an input. Our 12 volt has a 10 amp shared port, so both our LAL 6mm port and the cigarette port can put out 10 amps worth of power. When it comes time to charge this little battery, what we've actually done is put the input port on the back for the first time. So now we charge right through here, same way we did before from the front. From the wall, we can charge at 50 watts. So this thing's gonna take about 3.5 hours to charge up, but we can actually maximize a better solar experience now that we have a maximum power point tracker charge controller in this thing, instead of the old PWM charge controller. If we put a 100 watt solar panel on there, we can charge this thing up in about 3 hours. You can also charge it from the car with our car charging cable. If you use our 5 amp setting, you can plug it right into the cigarette port, so while you're traveling, you can be charging this thing up. Lastly, the Yeti 200X can be charged using the USB-C power delivery port. Probably by now you're wondering what this guy can power. Pretty much, it's a small device powerhouse. It can run anything that's going to be charged off of USBs, and of course it's fully Goal Zero compatible. So anything from our lanterns to our camping lights, any of our smaller battery packs that you'd want to plug in and keep those charged just fine. Outside of Goal Zero devices, we can charge a ton of things like GoPros, laptops, and even most small tool batteries. All we really have to do is plug it into the USB-C port. Don't forget to turn that port on to make sure that we are pushing some power, and our GoPro, it will be charged shortly. Outside of that, we can also use any laptops, tablets, anything else, as we're gonna see more and more USB-C coming out in the world. If I'm out there and I need a little bit of construction power, this guy is strong enough to recharge almost all small tool batteries. So if I plug into our inverter and I turn that AC port on, now I'll be building a shed in no time. In short, guys, the Yeti 200X Lithium is a great accessory for your camping experience.
To bring power wherever you go and whenever you go, Suaoki S270 was created. It has a built-in modified sine wave inverter that brings you 100 watts AC with peak 150 watt output, equipped with 4 DC ports with up to 180 watts power. It can be charged with solar panels, 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, and AC outlet through the input port, and can be used as an emergency light. It has 4 USB ports for your mobile devices, and one of them features QC 3.0 fast charging technology. Take S270 with you and no longer need to worry about running out of power. It could even be a lifesaver during disastrous emergency. It's got everything covered for you by providing all the power you need for your family trip. Click the battery indicator button on the top. It will show you how much power it has with cool blue lights. Forget to charge it before going out? Don't worry, it can be charged with your 12-volt cigarette lighter socket while you're driving. Thanks to its DC to MC4 connector, you can even use solar panels to charge it. 12-volt DC output port plus a special cigarette lighter adapter. You can use it just like your car's cigarette lighter socket when your car's not around. Drone, camera, smartphone, car vacuum, air purifier can all be powered by S270. When the night comes, S270 can even be more useful. Last but not least, S270 features 100 watt AC output. It's like bringing your wall outlet anywhere you go. Despite its size, S270 is integrated with an MPPT solar input chip, a 15 amperes DC output, battery management system, a 150 watt rechargeable battery, and 150 watt max AC output. With powerful technologies and an incredible compact enclosure, S270 will keep your life powered up.
Safe, easy-to-use power at your fingertips. The iGen 300S by Westinghouse. A lightweight, quiet, maintenance-free, and easy-to-use source of power. The 300-watt power bank has 296 watt-hours of power. Enough power to run a laptop for 20 hours or recharge a cell phone 31 times. 300 watts is enough power to run a CPAP machine. The iGen 300S is great for entertaining outdoors or anytime you're away from home. The Westinghouse iGen 300S produces pure sine wave power that's safe for delicate electronics and delivers that power with 2 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, a car charger outlet, and a 12-volt DC outlet. The electronic display ensures you always know how much power is available, and the light comes in handy during emergencies. Recharge at home or in the field with your car's DC plug or solar panels. Everything is backed by a 2-year limited warranty and 130 years of Westinghouse engineering experience. For quiet, clean, portable power, the Westinghouse iGen 300S.
This is Rockpals 250-watt portable generator, a perfect emergency backup for your home, travel, and camping. Lightweight and compact size makes it an easy-to-carry device anywhere, best suited for outdoor trips and hangouts. The Rockpals portable generator has upgraded 250-watt 2 AC outputs that can charge your laptop 3 to 5 times on the go. No need to worry about your mobile getting discharged during your pleasure trips. Provided with 2 USB output slots, this generator can charge your mobile phone up to 25 times. It takes care of your devices while you enjoy your favorite time. Love photography? Well, this power pack generator has 4 DC outputs that can charge your camera batteries and drone batteries during your outdoor shoot sessions. Rockpals portable generator can be easily charged through wall outlet, car, or by solar panels. Charge anywhere, anytime, as per your schedule. Adding more to the excitement, this generator can charge your skateboard too. No need to worry if your board lowers its battery where power is not available. Rockpals will surely come to your rescue.
Introducing the Jackery Explorer 500, one of the lightest and most portable rechargeable lithium battery generators on the market. With no gas or noise, the Explorer is perfect for many occasions. The Explorer 500 is power to go in a compact, lightweight design featuring multiple connections to charge your mainstream gear and more. With Jackery, you can afford to work remotely more often. Charge your laptops, phones, and more without having to go home. With an output of 500 watts, the Explorer is great for use on the road, backyard power, outdoor recreation, power outages, and much more. In the event of a power outage, sleep soundly knowing your CPAP machine will be powered throughout the night. The Explorer 500 recharges fully in just about 7 hours from a standard wall outlet, and can also be charged on the road with your car's AC port. With an optional solar panel, you can enjoy completely sustainable solar energy while on your adventure. Simply unfold, plug in, and leave in broad daylight. The Explorer 500 weighs in at just over 13 pounds, making it easy to bring with you on any occasion. Featuring 3 USB ports, a DC and AC outlet, the 500 can charge a barrage of devices at once. The Explorer 500 also features a built-in flashlight with an SOS mode. From a diverse assortment of outdoor uses to a variety of important medical and safety features, the Explorer 500 is a must-have for the modern adventurer and household.